Hey all, welcome back to My Happy Umbrella, and today I'm going to share some ideas and appliances to do self-grooming at home in quarantine. Since the quarantine have started, I'm seeing so many funny memes coming out that the girls are coming out of lockdown all hairy and ungroomed because of the obvious reason, salons are closed. But they don't know that we are ladies and we can manage and we can look all put together and groomed in any situation. If you are able to keep up your self-grooming till now, thumbs up for you. Keep watching. You may get some good ideas in this video. And if you are struggling, it will definitely help you out. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel and like to see these kind of videos. Subscribed? Now let's start. I have divided this video in two categories: body hair removal and facial hair removal. So first talk about body hair removal. Some girls like waxing and some girls like shaving when we talk about body hair removal. I like waxing over shaving anytime, but the salons are closed. So how can we do it? For me, solution is this little appliance. This is Braun Silk Appeal 9 series. If you watch my videos regularly, you have definitely seen this appliance in my favorite videos. I love this product as it does the same job as waxing. It tweezes the hair from the root. I use it once in a month and stay groomed for a long while. It also comes with a shaver head which works amazing in the bikini areas. It is available on Amazon in India and USA both, and I'm going to add the link in the description box. Another option for body hair removal is razor, of course. It has its own pros. It can give you a quick clean. But here are some tips you should know for better results. Always do scrubbing before your shaving session because it will help in removing the ingrown hair and will give you the better result. Use a shaving gel because it will help you in giving a clean shave and also less inflammation which comes after shaving. Once you're done, do not forget to put some body lotion with rich moisturizer on your skin. It will give the skin instant healing and smooth effect. Now let's talk about facial hair. When we talk about facial hair, the very first thing comes in the mind is eyebrows. We all know how this little feature on our face plays a big role in our appearance. Doing your eyebrows by yourself seems like a big task, but actually it's very simple. I want to share a few things which I follow to keep mine in shape always. Brush your eyebrows and tweeze extra hair from your eyebrows every week so that you can get a sense of your eyebrow shape. Be sure that you will pull out only the extras. Carefully trim the long hairs from the start of your eyebrows to give it a clean look. If you are too scared to ruin the shape of your brows, draw a line from the eyebrow pencil first and then start tweezing. For rest of the facial hair like upper lips, chin or even the sides of your face, you can use this. This is again from Braun, a facial appellator. I'm using this product from last 3 years and this one does an amazing job for me. This one also tweezes the hair from the roots like threading, so always use astringent after using it. This one is also available on Amazon in India and USA, and the link is in the description box. If you don't want to use it or buy it, that's okay. You must know that you can always use razor on your face. It's a big myth that women can't use razor on their face. You can use it if you want to. So that's it. Those were the tips and recommendations that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope it will help you guys to stay groomed in quarantine. If you have some good tips too, don't forget to share in the comment section. We are all in this together, and by this we can help each other out. Let's keep our hope and positivity high in this difficult period. Don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe the channel. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.